Good morning from the car.
Morning.
Familiar setting. We get married tomorrow, so it's our wedding prep day.
Isn't it exciting?
Yeah, very. I'm a bit nervous, but performance anxiety and all that. We are off to get my mum and my sister, and we're heading to Tim Hortons for breakfast, then to Costco to get the food for the wedding, and probably Ikea. Well, I'm pretty sure we decided on Ikea, so come along with us. Timmy Holtz, gang's all here. Oh, happy as always. Got our Timmy Holtz. Can't really see the lovely ladies in the background. It's like good. Right. Chipotle wrap.
Oh, yes please.
Brown sauce. What's wrong with yours?
I couldn't get any.
Oh.
There it is.
Hash brown.
Thank you.
Hash brown. Well, if you waited a second, you could have put it in the bin. What was the new thing that you got, Becca? A burp.
It's basically just like the equivalent of a sausage and egg and cheese McMuffin with a hash brown out. But vegetarian.
That looks good.
It does look good. It's like a sleigh to me.
Let me see on the camera. Ooh, ah. Gross. Do a little unboxing.
Tastes good.
That's always a bonus, isn't it? Gross.
There was no need for that.
Adam's making out with his.
No one gonna rate it?
That was a 10 out of 10, I reckon, on volume.
Nice.
Getting on the mum eating her food action.
Is there anyone else competing in the burping competition?
No.
Haven't got one.
Oh God!
What have you got, Adam?
Mum acts like she's in a silent movie when she's on.
Yeah, she does. It's
I
weird.
feel like it was like iced popcorn cappuccino or something. Frappe.
Maple popcorn.
I still haven't eaten my wrap.
It's really good actually.
She's not talking to you.
No, I'm talking to the camera.
Loser. I'm not talking about. Oh my God! Not everything's about you.
Sometimes it is. When you make it about yourself.
That's what you make it.
Now we finish, then we go to Ikea.
Yeah. We're wonderful every day.
So what's your question to the world?
What's your craziest hear me out? And trying to get Mom to do it, but she doesn't understand.
What's your craziest hear me out, Becca?
The organ from the Beauty and the Beast Christmas movie.
Mine is the door from Bartok the Magnificent.
It's basically the Tim Curry effect.
Tim Curry.
Like, you can't tell me you didn't look at, like, Lumiere and be like, whoa! Well, no, I didn't either, but, like, you know. But, like, there's certain things when, like, you think, oh, well, maybe.
How?
No, well, everyone thinks how. Shut up. Like, no, but the answer would be Calcifer, the fire demon, and I'd be like,
Oh, I know what I like. Those little sooty things.
oh, Mother! No! Yeah, but we're... Okay, right, okay, so you're not understanding. So the hear me out, it means that, like, if you had the opportunity, would you sleep with them?
Why would I sleep with a sooty thing?
Exactly.
Exactly it. That's what I'm saying. But the organ from Beauty and the
You'd
Beast...
sleep with the organ.
Or the door from Bartok the Magnificent.
Why?
Well, because they're
they sound
consensual
like-
adults.
And they sound like Tim Curry.
They do sound like Tim Curry.
I'm not getting it.
So you could say Calcifer, the fire demon.
What, that little flame?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that little flame. Calcifer.
Honestly,
Adam
yeah.
doesn't eat. Adam's would probably be Olaf.
No,
Hear me out, Olaf.
Hearing out Olaf before he's become sentient.
Just by the snow.
Just a snow. Just a snow.
And we've got lots of people queuing for the petrol.
So that we go in and out.
Like Thomas O'Malley from the Aristocats.
Mhm.
She gets it.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
But I don't understand about a door and a,
See, but
What
it's
was
because you
yours?
haven't watched it.
and what was yours?
The organ.
No.
Yes. So, see, the thing is that I find it more from Mum's like, oh yeah, a cat, but an organ? No.
But for father?
No.
Poor Nana. Oh, yes, poor Nana. But poor father? Oh, no.
Poor Nana.
You two are weird.
Confirmed.
That's weird.
That's what he looks like.
Let me see.
Okay.
Get in there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Now the door.
Now the door.
Look at that.
Well, I think I might. I'll just pick myself up and... Oh, what's this? Oh, heavens, look! I'm bolted to the wall!
What's
A
that?
door. A sexy door.
That looks the same as.
Yes, we have obviously a type.
Oh,
Hold on, let me up the
exactly the
brightness.
same.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, but when you hear him and he's just like,
Tim Curry.
riddles. No.
Riddles.
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 In my head, I was like, it was going to be a perfect Tim Curry impression.
I'll insert them.
Me. No matter how hard you hit me, no matter how much I hurt, I'm always good for a laugh. What am I?
A funny bone.
A little hermit. Drinking from a hermit cup.
No. It's convenience.
Convenience cup.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Disgusting!
Ha! Stop it.
Ha! Still see it.
Okay, cryptic vibes.
Majestic. Oh, Costco will soon be there. How wonderful life is now. Satine was in the world. I look like a moon.
Moon pie face.
Where are we, Mother?
Ikea.
Where do you like to play with your bum?
Ikea.
I don't want to go in Ikea now. We can wait outside.
They are cute.
I love them. I love them more than anything.
Oh, he's cute. What's wrong with him? What? Oh, he's a little wonky. Oh no, I like him. I like the white one.
He's grumpy.
He's a grumpus. Becca's looking for her baby hawk.
I know, the problem is I think I've held him for too long.
Yeah.
I think now he has to come home.
He's got a wonky face.
He's coming home with us then.
Yeah.
Oh, he's wonky. He's got one eye on a wheel. What's wrong with my
Oh.
What's wrong with my one?
Let's see him, Becca. Oh, he's cute. Happy? No.
Yeah, to be fair.
To be pushing
it's
everyone's
fine.
stuff.
I like it.
Becca's playing with scissors.
I like it when it's
Are you
quiet.
playing with scissors? Yeah.
What do you got? What's his name?
He hasn't got one yet. Look at him.
He's saying hello.
He'll get a name. Oh, mini hawk. Gross. What is it? Is it carpet?
It smells nice. Feel it. No, you need to get in it. Yeah.
Tea or coffee in our restaurants or bistro.
Made her jump. What are you just trying to look at your floating candles?
Well, they're tea lights, but they're round.
Well, they're floating ones.
Seatbelt.
Are you pleased with your goodies?
Yeah.
You got your bear, Becca's got her bear.
This is baby Ethan Hulk.
Baby Ethan Hulk. Hi, baby Ethan Hulk. Hi, bear with no name. Mine's down there.
His name's Drinkle.
Oh. Where's mine? He's here. Oh, they're going home.
Yeah.
There's Costco. Oh, she's gonna find herself a space at Costco. Costco. You can't speak. You just
I can't speak.
She's a mime.
No doubt in my mind that I needed that.
Got to take Krispy Kreme. You're still talking.
Yeah.
Yeah,
To myself, clearly.
it is to you.
Really?
World of stickers. That is so pretty. What are these? That is cool.
That's so cool.
Are we overdone?
Oh, I should have done.
Very done.
Just hold it. You're not allowed to put it in anyway because you're not trusted.
What are you doing, Mother?
Oh no! Having a bit of trub.
Always having a bit of trub. Right,
I'm over it.
hot dog.
Oh, hot dog. And
Hot dog. And hot dog.
Thank you.
One of these has more mayo than the other.
it's locked.
It's that one. I did double.
I just chugged half of it. I needed that so bad.
Right. Oh, we look very dishevelled. Did we have a good day?
Yeah.
I forgot to put sauce on my hot dog.
A drag.
I'm going to eat the top because I don't want to eat the onions.
The onions are the best bit.
No.
Onions is good.
Those ones aren't because they're sloppy ones.
Oh, that's what I love.
No,
Sloppy onions.
that's your name.
Yeah, when you're a stripper. Sloppy onions. And here comes the stage. Sloppy onions.
Sloppy onions, reveal yourself. Here. Lean in, sloppy onions. Lean in, sloppy onions. They're sloppy onions. What was your stripper name, B. Becca?
Big Bertha.
Big Bertha, reveal yourself. What would mine be?
Long John Sally Jim.
Why?
I don't know. That's the first thing that came into my head. His long song. Oh my God, I can't even say it.
Long John Sally Jim.
Yeah.
What would Adam's stripper name be?
Steve. That's it. Steve.
That's cool. Was a success.
Yay.
Yay. We want to go home. We're all hot and sweaty.
Really bad. No, eat your hot dog. Tired.
Oh, look at the pizza girly. Oh, I got a crumb.
2 hours later.
Is that Picarelli? Yeah, hi. Hi, girly. Oh, look how cute you are. Picky, what's this? Pigs. Look at that little pink mouth. Boop. Yeah. Oh, look at your teeth. We've got tooths.
Oh, if you could get your claw out by arm, that'd be fantastic.
You digging in? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so cute. He's a sweet little baby. Look at the little confetti pouches.
Oh, that is so pretty. Oh,
With lavender and paper.
lovely. Lovely.
Well, you can deal with that. And then a little mother of the bride.
Hope it's a hat. Tiny, tiny hat.
Very cute for mother of bride.
Are you going to open it?
Shall I open it now?
Yeah, why not?
I don't even know what it is.
You look like you.
Wow.
It's like we're twins, Basil.
Twins, Basil. We're going to see the twins.
Ah, Austin. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Twins, Basil. Twins.
Face it. The necklace.
Oh my god. That is so lovely.
A little flower.
Oh, it's a little. There it is, a little flower.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you, Anne. If you get to see this, it is beautiful. Oh, I love that.
I didn't get any.
Hello, you. You headbutted the window. Well. Well. What's wrong? You want out? You do? He's a papa. Oh.
It's a baby.
Oh, sweet baby.
These early 60s.
Well, that's because you turned 60. That's from me. Oh, and Adam, yeah. Me and Adam. I meant us. I think when you collect a bunch of them, they make a different character. Don't know who, but you just have someone's arm for unless you get the others.
J. Jonah Jameson.
Ooh, styrofoam.
I know.
Blech. What, the styrofoam?
Yeah, because then it goes everywhere with poof.
Poof.
I'm stuck on that side.
It's not for actual use.
Get the flies.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's because it's made out of resin, you can't actually use it for that purpose. It's more of just a display piece.
That's so funny. Adrian, get in the flask.
Oh, yeah.
The flask. Picky, no.
Picky's gonna get dropped.
Picky, no.
Oh.
Stuck on your face, Picky.
Well, I lit it. Get in here. Everyone else, are you coming?
Oh, cool.
Gotta get our vocals. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Doofy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
You're 60.
Blow out the candle. Way!
Which one do you want?
Krispy Kreme.
All of them.
It's gonna have to be one of these.
That one?
Yeah.
All right, done.
Respectfully, I want a plain glazed.
Yeah, not the one with the candle stuck in it.
I don't care.
No, no. Ooh.
Here you go, Meg.
Yeah. He's 60 and he can still chew.
We did Peppy.
Oh yeah, it was a slice.
Hi, sweet girl.
I don't think so. I think it was just those two.
It's been many hours and we're back at home. We went back to Mum's, and because it was my dad's 60th last week, we celebrated a bit with him. We got him some Krispy Kreme donuts. He opened his presents. I did film some bits. Now we're back home. We've unpacked everything from Costco and Ikea. We've gathered a bunch of stuff for the wedding and got that all prepped. Now it's dinner and final jobs that we have to do. You've made yourself look much shorter than me. Oh. Anyway, so we've got to finish off what we're doing, and we will see you tomorrow for the wedding.
Dun dun dun.
Thanks for coming along, and see you tomorrow. Bye.